In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send photos as documents on WhatsApp on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up WhatsApp and then enter a conversation. Normally, guys, to send a photo we tap right here at this plus, then select photos, and then we choose a photo from our camera roll and hit right here at send. In this case, it will send a photo, and this photo will actually be compressed to reduce its size and to reduce this photo's quality. If you would like to send a photo in its original quality, you need to act in a different way. So now I'm going to tap right here at this plus, and instead of photos, we need to choose document. And then in this pop-up, we can select if we would like to download our photo from files or from photo or video. I prefer to use this way because if we tap right here, it will open up our camera roll, and from here we can easily, in the same way, search for any photo, and then if we tap on it and then hit send, it will send it as a file and it will keep its original quality. And once the photo is uploaded, any user in this conversation, including us, can tap on it to open it up. After that, we can tap right here to edit this photo. Also, we can hit add share, and then we'll be able to share it with someone using any methods. Also, we can, by hitting right here, save this image to our camera roll. We can print it, and also we can use any of these options. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.